everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Beauty Girls Cracks में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyles. In this video today I will show you beautiful pixie haircuts ideas. Haircuts will change your personality and volumes your hair. So my dear friend, let us talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different styles and different size. Like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer haircuts, long length shoulder haircuts, curly haircuts, fine haircuts, layer curvy haircuts, short bob haircuts, step cutting and much more haircuts ideas. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friend, if you are a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members. And all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kinds of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much you are watching my videos. Once again, if you had not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel and like my all videos. Take care yourself. See you soon with new collections, new ideas and new trendy fashions about hair. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Crack. Keep on watching. Till then, bye bye.